इस पे I guess match चालू हो गया. Here we go. Match has started. Turkey has directly started off. Turkey has directly started off. Suresh Singh now. Suresh Singh. We are holding the ball nice. Nikhil Pujari holding the ball. ठीक है कोई बात नहीं. We need to build it from the back. Hopefully we do good. Good spread to Subhasish. This is the good start, like a positive start that we had been seeing in the first day. We are seeing this, yeah. This is what we have been seeing. We wanted to see. This is what we saw in the first day. The calm and composedness, the hold-up play. Whenever we get the chance, we'll try to play that ball in. Subhashish Bose. That's a miss pass. No problem. No problem. Intercepted. Oh my God, we survived that, man. That could have gone anywhere. Suresh Singh now. Plays it to Rahim. Manveer Singh. I guess Malaysia has scored. I guess Malaysia has scored. Malaysia has taken a lead against Japan. Turkey trying to do. Anwar Ali, defense well. Brandon Fernandez. That's another interception for Turkey. We played back against Subhashish. The match has been a bit like the Turkeys are just pressing so high up. Chalanoglu takes a stunning shot. Can we save? Gurpreet just parries it. Cleared away by the defender. Suresh keeps it back. Subhashish plays a long ball. Rahim Ali now. This could be the moment. Free in midfield. Anirudh, easy. We need to move it calmly and composedly. Ah, no, 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 no. No, 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 come on. He needs to defend that. 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 A long ball played in. And that's a goal kick. And that's a goal kick. लकी था बच गया भाई. वो वाला चांस कुछ भी हो सकता था. वी वर लकी नॉट टू कंसीड. फिर से मोरक्को वाला मैच पे चला गया. इंडिया वाला फीड लगाते हैं ना. इंडिया वाला इंडिया विच नंबर इट इज. इंडिया को भी हम लगा के रखते हैं. मैचेस इंडिया का नहीं दिखेगा तो हम यहाँ से रेडी रहेंगे देखने के लिए. बिकॉज़ अभी दिखा रहे हैं मोरक्को का मैच दिखा रहे हैं ये लोग. विच नंबर इज इंडिया में? 4. Daniel is making some changes. Gurpreet now. टर्की बहुत हाई प्रेस कर रहा है. बहुत हाई प्रेस है अभी तक. होपफुली सम चेंजेस हुए हैं अभी स्टार्टिंग मैच के शुरुआत में ही. बहुत सारे चेंजेस कर दिए हैं. अनिरुद्ध थापा बहुत ही गजब पास खेलते हुए ब्रैंडन फर्नांडिस को. ब्रैंडन फर्नांडिस एक गजब पास खेलने की कोशिश बट बेहतरीन इंटरसेप्शन है वो टर्की का. टर्की भी आराम से खेलने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. हाई प्रेस कर रहे हैं. चलानोग्लू अगुन आराम से ही खेल रहे हैं. वो लोग भी ज़्यादा हड़बड़ा नहीं रहे. उनके पास है वो कैलिबर वाले प्लेयर्स है उनके पास. लाइक जिनके जो इम्पैक्ट कर सकते हैं. लाइक उनके प्लेयर्स के पास डबल टच ये सारे स्किल्स का भी एडवांटेज है. यिल्माज वो देखो डबल टच लेने की कोशिश बट स्लो था थोड़ा. अनिरुद्ध थापा कैन वी गेट देयर? नो कम ऑन मैन. Yilmaz takes the strike. This could be dangerous. Gurpreet for a save. Subhashish clears it. We need to clear that now. Anirudh does well. Nikhil Pujari is there. Plays a lovely pass. Manveer. He has been the MVP for us in the day one. Suresh Singh is cruising forward. Plays it back to Manveer. Manveer back to Brandon. Brandon could have been a chance. Still a chance. Maybe somewhere. No. Cleared away. Cleared away. This could be the end of the first half. Ah, the matches in mobile are so quick, man. What से first half हो जाता है यार? It's so quick. The matches in mobile are so quick, man. इतना तुरंत मैचेस खत्म हो जाता है. कितने मिनट्स का मैच है? जितना नॉर्मल होता है उतना ही टाइम का मैच है. कितना मिनट्स का मैच होता है वही है. डैलन भाई का क्या हाल है? आई वाज बिजी यस्टरडे सो स्ट्रीम देख नहीं पाया. आज राउंड ऑफ 8 का पहला मैच है. ये जीतेंगे हम सेमीफाइनल्स पहुंच जाएंगे. जिक्सन सिंह टर्की आराम से खेलते हुए प्रेस कर रहे हैं. बॉल जीत रहे हैं. ओह माय गॉड, दिस कुड बी अ लकी थिंग फॉर अस. आई डोंट नो व्हाई द बॉल पॉप्ड आउट. क्रॉस फील्ड बाय best of 3. Yeah, best of 3 Amrish. Can we defend that please? 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 Can we defend? Nice defending. Zixon. Oh no way, no way, no way. Clear it please. Clear it please. Clear it please. Clear it please. Lovely defending. Nikhil Pujari clears it. Can we get it? This could be a chance now. Brandon Fernandez. He has that passing capability. Passes it to Manveer Singh. Manveer Singh back to Anwar Ali. Anwar. Could we get it? Rahim Ali. Rahim Ali. Rahim to Manveer. Manveer to Suresh. 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 Suresh trying to look for the space. Plays it to Manveer. 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 No. What a save from the goalkeeper that is. That was the chance. That was the chance. Suresh, still there is a chance. Suresh, can he create something out there? Plays it to Anirudh. Anirudh now. Looking for the space. Showing his calmness. Rahim Ali. Nah, that is a good defending again. That was the chance we had, man. A bit of chance was there. Turkey are making a lot of missed passes. Hopefully, this can yield us something. Yildiz wins the ball. This could be a chance. Good defending again. Jikson anchoring the midfield. Kadioglu now. Ayhan. Manveer. Oh, no. Subhashis now. Plays a lovely pass. Suresh. Nah. Oh, Turkey gets the chance. What a defending that is. Still, we have to clear that danger. Oh my God. If that was an inch here and there, that would have been a moment to forget, man. थोड़ा सा इधर उधर होता तो बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो सकता था. शॉट नहीं कर लेगा, होल्ड कर रहा है, होल्ड करके खेल रहे हैं. यही है हमारा गेम प्ले. यही गेम प्ले है हमारा अभी तक का. We have been doing that good till now. Hopefully ये कंटिन्यू रहे. थोड़ा सा चेंजेस करते हुए अब we are playing with the same 4-3-1-2 long ball counter formation and opponent is playing with the 4-2-2 long ball counter formation. मेरा तो फट गया भाई. क्या बोले यार. वो एक शॉट निकल जाएगा. मेरे को बिलीव है हम एक शॉट मारेंगे उसी में हमारा एक गोल आने वाला है. एक शॉट आएगा उसी में हमारा एक गोल आने वाला है. We just waiting for that one shot. वो वन शॉट जो आएगा ना उसी में हमारा गोल आने वाला है. We need to wait for that one shot. मलेशिया थाईलैंड को एकदम रेत दे रहा है. 2-3 गोल मार दिया भाई. मलेशिया पूरा डोमिनेट कर दे रहा है भाई. मलेशिया जापान 2-1 चल रहा है. Malaysia is leading by 2 goals against Japan. Kawechi, Guler. Kokchuk tries to find the space. Can we defend that? Please? Nah. That's a big goal that we have conceded, man. The first leg. That's a big goal we have conceded. That high press of the Turkish team is just like costing us maybe. That high press has just costed. Look at the ball. A lot of space it was there. और एक मैच होगा क्या? बेस्ट ऑफ 3 है. It's a best of 3. कोई बात नहीं, there is a chance. It's still a best of 3, man. We can just try to understand this. Maybe next match, we need to try to find a goal maybe. We need to. A goal difference का कोई मतलब नहीं. इसमें we can go all guns blazing. And now Turkey is adding a lot of players in the defense, man. A lot of players in the midfield. They're filling that positions from where we can make the chances. It's just one attackers versus a lot of defenders. He put a lot of players in defense. And now he might go past the truck now. He's definitely going past the truck now. He watches our formation and ready to go maybe. I don't know. Like one striker, 2 scene, and a lot of players added in the center so that he can stop our central attacks. So you have to win 2 games to qualify. Win 1 game, lose 1 game, you go into a championship. So if you win this game 8 Dixon. And then you lose 2 games, you're gonna disqualify. The score doesn't matter. You have to win. Manveer is there. Process. Isan Pandita. Cannot jump, man. Cannot jump. It's finished. Bravo. Look, he has to win the next game as well. 5 minutes we have. They have got double defense bar. Manveer with a chance. Manveer. What a block that is, man. What a block that is. My God, man. What a block that is, man. That was definitely going in, man. What a block. That's a goal-saving block, man. Subhashis, this corner. In the header. Oh! Please! Score! Oh! Nikhil now, what a ball this is. Can we cross? This is not off. Last chance. Will we get a last corner? Oh my god, how did that not go in? We're going full on offense now. Can we hit it? No. That's not off. That's not off. Can we score? Can we score? Can we score? Pandita! Let's go! Beautiful goal that is. We made a comeback. We made a comeback once again in another match. One goal apiece and we take it to the extra time. What a beautiful ball that was towards Insad Pandita and he just nails it. No chance for the keeper. क्या ही चांस क्रिएट किया है भाई, क्या ही चांस क्रिएट किया है. Full on defense. We had to fight, we had to look for that space. And finally we got that goal and we have taken it to the extra time. Wow. Wow. The way we have been scoring, the way we have made that spaces, the way we had just played that pass to the Nikhil Pujari guy in the wide. That was absolutely great build-up. Absolutely great build-up, man. It's one goal apiece. I guess it's going to the... I guess the match is done. We are going to the extra time maybe. Yeah, no addition time played. And I guess we are going to the extra time. It has been a tough game, man. It has been a tough game. God has helped us, man. Bhagwan ne hi hame ye match ko bachaya, bhai. God has helped us, man. Guys, do pray, man. Still we are in it, bro. Still we are in it, guys. Still we are in it. अभी भी हम इस गेम पे बने हुए हैं. A big 30 minutes loading. उसे पे पता चलेगा आगे क्या होने वाला है. What is the number beside the names? That's the heart rate that's going for the players. That's the heart rate that's going for the players. Jai Shri Ram, Arijit bhai, do pray to God, man. Do pray to God. भगवान से जरूर विनती करो कि हम सेमीफाइनल्स तक का अपना राह बना पाए. Turkey is making some changes. We are ready to go. Here we go. Next match. Extra time of the quarterfinals. So soon. Sahal, Manveer, Ishan Pandita. Plays it to Deepak Tangri. A lovely long ball played in. Ishan Pandita. That was the moment, guys. That was the moment. Could have been. Long ball played in from the goalkeeper. We still have a lot of time. If we can just hold to it, we still have a lot of time. Toshun. Good interception for Mehtab. Deepak Tangri now. Intercepted. No. That was just a big mistake. We need to defend that. That's a big mistake maybe. Good defending that is. Can we clear that? Cleared it. Nikhil Pujari. Liston Kolasau now. Plays a lovely pass to Ishan Pandita. बहुत ही बेहतरीन इंटरसेप्शन फिर से टर्की टीम के द्वारा. गुलेर के पास है मौका. ब्लॉक करना पड़ेगा इस चांसेस को. ब्लॉक करना पड़ेगा. कीपर क्या सेव करेंगे? गोल पोस्ट में लगा है. नहीं यार. फिर से एक गोल खा चुके हैं हम. गोल पोस्ट में लगा but that just rebounded for the opponent, man. होगा लॉर्ड होगा. We can do it, man. करना ही पड़ेगा. We have to do it, man. इनके और मैचेस इसके बाद और मैचेस रहेगा. इसके बाद हमें 2 मैच. If we lose this match, after this we have to win the 2 matches. He's going completely past the truck now. He's not going to give us any space now. He's completely going past the truck, adding a lot of players. Look at the defense. 5-3-2. Everyone is defending, even the attackers. Everyone is attacking, even the attackers. Japan come back कर लिया Malaysia के against. Tangri. One more half is left. अब वो पूरा डिफेंसिव जाएगा. अब एक ही 15 मिनट बचा है, जो 15 मिनट नहीं है. वो सिर्फ दिखने का 15 मिनट है, but we'll just give it 1 or 2 minutes maybe. Can we get one goal and push this game to the penalties? Jackson plays it to Sahal now. Plays a long ball. Ishan Pandita wins it. Deepak Tangri. Ishan Pandita takes the shot. It's down. Oh my God! How did he not miss? How did he not score that? Oh my days! How did he not score that, man? What a chance that was! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! How did that not go in, man? How did that not go in, bro? How did that not go in? कैसे नहीं घुसा यार? वही था एक मोमेंट यार. कैसे नहीं घुसा? Changte taking the ball. अब वो टाइम पास करेगा मेरे ख्याल से. We have to take and get. We need to go and take the ball with him. Tangri, lovely pass. Manveer, Sahal. Can we get a goal? Sahal, Sahal. Last 3 minutes maybe. Last 3 minutes maybe. Changte. Lovely. Nah. First loss.